guys? Today is another beautiful day. Hope everyone's doing well. Today we got a special person that we're going to detail some vehicles for. Emilia Harford. She has these beautiful cars that need some servicing, so we're going to go ahead and dial them all in and stay tuned for all the great results. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the 240, and then we're going to follow up with the twin turbo Corvette C8, and then the CT5 V. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and see whatever else she has to go ahead and give us and go from there. Just take care of the top, and then from like the key, I'm going to take care of it.
Okay.
You can ceramic coat the actual seats.
Oh, really?
So that way...
Is it going to get on my clothes?
No. So that's what it does, prevent it from being on.
It doesn't leave like residue or anything?
Oh, no. It's literally the OEM finish.
Oh, okay.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. That sounds better? Yeah. All right, guys. So now Tony's over there starting up the CT5 V. We just finished up the 240. 240 looks beautiful. It's ready for another drift event. And after that, we got the actual Corvette over there and a few more if we have the time and sunlight for it. So stay tuned for all that. So for this detail, we're gonna go ahead and use ASC for the interior, wipe it all down. Tony's vacuuming and using the brushes to go ahead and get off the dust and all the little debris between the cracks and crevices. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and start with the wheels, follow up with the actual paint, foaming it, rinsing it, and then go from there. Little rant. Oh, shit. Hey, do you ever know, like in the shops, they say, where did the 10mm go? Is that 10mm?
I don't know. Yeah. It's right here.
Hey, I'm gonna tell her that when she comes. Like, hey, you know the same.
Do you guys ever?
Like, we found this. Just wrapped up this twin turbo C8. As you can see, looks flawless with the CT5 and the 240 that we finished. This thing is a beast when it turns on. This thing, you can hear it down a whole mile down the road. And we have a lot more cars here to do, but as you can see, the sun's going down, so we're gonna go to schedule it for tomorrow. And hopefully we have some more footage if Aaron comes out and actually films this stuff. But for the most part, truly blessed for the opportunity. Shout out to Adam from Shine Supply that actually referred us to this client. Super grateful. But now they're happy with it, and as you can see, they look flawless, ready to go, and we should be having them on a weekly or if not bi-weekly maintenance, so that way they can keep up, because they be going to the track, a lot of car events, rallies. So there's a lot of work here, several cars, so keep us busy. And we'll just say, you know, just keep your heads up, guys. If you guys feel like you guys are going on low time, just keep it up. Thank you guys for tuning in, and please like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys like this type of content, please share it to somebody you know. Thank you guys.